Hey, did Zoom start crashing on your computer right after an update? Yeah, sudden crashes can be really frustrating, especially when you have meetings or classes to attend. In this guide, I'll show you the fastest ways to fix Zoom crashing after an update in 2026, so you can get back to smooth video calls. First, restart your computer or laptop. Many update-related crashes are temporary, and a fresh start can often resolve them. Sometimes the latest update might have a patch. Open Zoom, click your profile picture, and select Check for Updates. Install any available updates to fix crashing issues. Corrupted cache files can cause Zoom to crash. On Windows, press Windows key plus R, type %appdata%, open the Zoom folder, and delete the cache folder. On Mac, go to ~library/application support/zoom.us and delete the cache folder. Then reopen Zoom. Outdated graphics or network drivers can make Zoom unstable. On Windows, open Device Manager, Display Adapters, right-click your GPU, Update Driver. Also update network adapters. Mac users should check for system updates. Some antivirus or firewall programs can conflict with Zoom after updates. Temporarily disable them or allow Zoom through firewall settings to prevent crashes. If Zoom keeps crashing, uninstall and reinstall the app. A clean install often resolves post-update crashes by fixing corrupted files and resetting settings to default. If the issue persists, contact Zoom support. Provide details about your device, operating system, and the update version that caused the crash. They can help troubleshoot and provide a fix. And that's it. One of these fixes should stop Zoom from crashing after an update and get your meetings running smoothly again. If this helped, check out my other quick tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.